Hi there, welcome to the channel. So I got some exciting news for you guys. If this is your first time at the channel, welcome. Coming back, welcome. As you know, we're dealing with efficiencies in our business and life, how to make things a little easier, how to make things a little better. So today I got a great one for you resellers. Great way of sourcing. Found this through my research, and hopefully it definitely helps you. If you don't know this, it's definitely going to be a game changer. If you do know this, you might hate me for telling it. So you see I'm in the electronics category. I got a couple things here. I mean, it took some pre-choices because not everything has the time that it was coming out. So just figured to make it easier on everyone. I got this right here. So we're going to take a look at them, right? So if you look at this, we have a stereo system listed a week ago. We have this Shogun monitor recorder listed 2 weeks ago. Soundbar listed 3 days ago. This is the newest one that I found so far. Panasonic stereo system listed 12 hours ago. Now we go back to the page we was talking about. You see right here, this one is the newest listed is 1, 2, 3, 4 listings down. While something like this stereo system listed a week ago is at the top of the list. So I have a little trick, a life hack to help you out so that you get the newly listed stuff on Facebook at the top of your list in order. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some things in the URL, and that's going to help Facebook understand what we want. So let me show you this over here. So the first thing we're going to do is at the end of the address bar when we're searching, we're going to put this question mark sort by equals creation underscore time underscore descend. This is to sort it by date. It'll keep it sorted by the newest listings first in that order. The next one we have is days listed sent. So this excludes listings that are older than a day. I haven't experimented yet, but I'm assuming that you can change it so you can change that to whatever number you want. So it's going to be question mark days since listed equals 1. There are no spaces in between any of them. Again, this excludes all the listings that are older than a day. Next thing we're going to do is delivery method. Now this trick was taught with the lesson. I'm not sure how effective it will be for me. The idea behind it is that people that are shipping things are more savvier sellers and probably have higher prices, less willing to negotiate. So you might want to exclude this, or you might want to use the same trick to exclude something else. So I figured it was worth learning. So you put the question mark delivery method equals local underscore pickup underscore underscore pick underscore up. This excludes items that are going to be shipped, right? So the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to pick any one of them. You can do them all together or a combination of. The only thing you need to use is the and sign. You see right here, I have them all together. Sort by time and descend, and again, no spaces. Question mark days listed since equal 1, no spaces, no the and sign, also called the ampersand. Question mark delivery equals local pickup. So then this will be sorted by date, exclude listings that are older than a day, and exclude items that are shipped. So I'm going to take this right here and just copy this whole thing. We're going to go back to our Facebook Marketplace. As you see, the order that we have things in, we're going to paste this at the end. Again, no space. And return. And then as you see, let's see what we got here. Of course, you're always going to have some sponsor listings in there. Right? Let's close all these. check out this PC setup. I'm going to check out this basic ABUB spotlight. And what else we got? A Spider-Man game. Check that out. And as you see, if you look at the time, this was listed 34 minutes ago. Next one does not have an actual time. We're going to go to another one. Not have a time. Go to another one. Listed about an hour ago. So even though we only have times on these two, you see that it is in order of time. Let's see if we could try another one. Do a couple because not all of them have the time on them displayed. This one does not have the time. See, this one had the time listed about an hour ago. Listed about an hour ago. And you see, and just to prove the concept, I want to go into another one. Hey, let's go to vehicles. Say you're looking for a car. Honda Accord Special Edition. Dodge Challenger. That's beautiful. And a Honda Pilot. Only $600. Yeah. You see, this was listed 14 hours ago. This was listed 5 weeks ago. It kind of helps if I actually put the thing in the URL. So I guess we'll call that an example of how it was not organized. And now we're going to check an example of what is organized. Say, I would say car shipping is not is not needed. So you see right here we have this 4 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 13 minutes ago. So if you want to stop on top of the game, try back to marketplace. Free stuff. I mean, the name of the game of free stuff is definitely get there first, right? So we're gonna copy paste. See the other thing. I guess they're giving us both away for free, which we all know that people like to use that free as a marketing ploy. So free iron board, free things, and you know, this might go beyond reselling and just go to stuff that you might need for your house. So again, 5 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago, 34 minutes ago, 53 minutes ago. And I do believe this might work in some form or fashion on other websites. I have not tested that yet. I'll keep you guys updated. But if you take this trick and then add it to the one from my former video of how we make keyword searches, you can do every morning. Probably go through quick Facebook search, 15 minutes, with a couple words, couple things, and out the door or on to the next activity. So hope this helps you guys. Let's get out there and make that money. Tune in for more tips and tricks. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.